mabigat na problema pa yan.
Ready?
Wait. Okay, guys. Ito na.
Nagsa-start na si Kuya Ian.
Ito na. Ito na. Two times.
Yay!
Right again. Wow.
Parang ako yung sasalo ko.
Gary, you have to try this. This is so cool.
Galing Kuya Ian!
Yeah,
Ano?
ano ba itong pinunta natin?
Banshee Fan. Banshee Fan. Market. Ito?
Market.
Ito, Banshee Fan. Kaya pa. Vicky, you'll be next. Look, Kuya Ian was able to do it. Just by jumping slow at first. You can jump low, then you can jump high as you please. Huh? No, you won't fall. That's why they're putting on harness. So you'll be safe. Yan, Kuya Ian! Ang galing. Ang galing ni Kuya Ian, nakakainggan. Buti ka ba, Kuya Ian? Oo, sige mo. Kaya pa?
Kaya.
Very good, Kuya Ian. Look, Ricky, Kuya Ian was able to do it.
Sticker.
Ano po, kailangan niya kasi mag